Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Sorry for any interruptions, but we have a orange area for a 50% chance tropical development. In the next 5 days, it'll probably go up as we go to like 6 days, 7 days. But anyway, a disturbance 1, 50% chance of cyclone formation in 5 days. An area of low pressure is expected to develop this week in a couple hundred miles northeast of the Bahamas. Environmental conditions appear conducive for the system to acquire some subtropical characteristics. I've been studying this, so I think the main subtropical characteristic is the wind speed. Anyway, as it moves northeastward through Sunday, the next special tropical weather outlook on the system will be issued by 9 p.m. Eastern Time Tuesday, which is today, or earlier if necessary. Formation chance for 48 hours, low, near 0%. Formation chance through 5 days, medium, 50%. So there's the parts of the Bahamas. It could affect Carolinas, not really, but possibly. Now we are going to go into the forecast models. So let's go to the Western Atlantic Ocean. Western Atlantic Ocean, what am I saying? So yeah, we see by the Bahamas, we see the system now mainly here. I think it will at least be a sub. I think it will probably make it to at least a subtropical/tropical depression. But I think as it goes north, sorry about that. I think around here, and maybe here. So around this area, so anywhere from like 6 to 18 hours, maybe higher or maybe lower. I think 6 to 18 hours maybe higher, but it could be a tropical/subtropical storm, mainly subtropical storm, mainly because of the wind speeds. Yeah, and then it's going to move north and eventually pretty much die out. Now let's go at the total accumulated precipitation. So that's the system in the Bahamas, and as you see, it moves north. And then we see that passing again since that area has most precipitation. That's why I think it has the highest chance of being like a tropical storm, but mainly because the wind. Now, the wind speed. So we see, like, this is the total wind speed, not on the ground. But the wind speed total gets up to, you see in like this area, and this area, where knots can go up to, like, since it's light green, like up to 40 and 46 knots. This is knots, maybe a little bit higher, but it looks like that. So because the wind speed we could have for a little bit of subtropical storm, that's not part of this. So don't worry, it's not really part of this. Now, it doesn't really matter if it's not on, if the ground, the system, like the wind speed on the ground doesn't really matter, because I'm 99% sure, like, it's mainly based on, like, the wind I just showed, but, and nobody, but, on the ground, this could be, so we have 25 knots to, like, a little bit of 40 knots. That's around, part of tropical storm to, like, so I would say that's 30 to 40 miles per hour. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.